Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to view your block list on Discord, specifically on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Give it a tap. This takes you to your user settings. Now, in the upper right corner, you'll see a gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and tap that to access all your account settings. From here, scroll down and find the Account option. Tap on it to proceed. Next, you'll need to look for the section labeled User. Under User, you'll see an option called Blocked Users. Tap on that to view your block list. And there you have it. You can now see all the users you've blocked. If you want to unblock someone, simply tap their name and select the option to unblock them. It's that easy. Remember, blocking users on Discord helps you maintain a positive chatting experience, so don't hesitate to use this feature as needed. Thank you for watching.